So last December, something happened to me that I think a lot of you can relate to. I was sitting at my wooden desk, and to the left was my window, and I was staring outside of it. Snow was falling, snow was covering the trees, snow was covering the cars, trucks, the sidewalk, everything. And as I was staring outside of the window, watching the snowfall, my mind started to wander. And it wasn't long before I realized Christmas was on December 25th, and I didn't have any money saved up for it. And apparently, Christmas is always on December 25th. Who knew? Okay, so most of us know Christmas is on December 25th, yet we still find ourselves approaching this holiday with little to no money saved for it so that little Larry can get his Legos. This situation can be avoided with something called a sinking fund. A sinking fund is sort of like a savings account. You set money aside monthly, but for a sinking fund, you set it aside for something specific and for a specific time. Saving for Christmas is a great example of a sinking fund. We know it's coming and we know we're going to spend money on it. We can determine how much money we're planning on spending ahead of time, and we can start putting money away monthly. And so when it's time to get little Lucas's Legos, we'll be prepared for it. And Christmas isn't the only sinking fund you will have. You can also have sinking funds for car insurance, tires for a car, a down payment for a house. It could also be for fun things like a vacation, an iPhone, that new MacBook Pro. You can have a sinking fund for anything you plan on buying in the future. April is Financial Literacy Month, and because of that, I am going to be challenging myself to post a video on financial literacy every single day of this month. I also want to take this time to thank you guys for the milestone of 100 subscribers that we have reached. This community should have a name or something like the Markers. Okay, we'll think of the name. Anyway, thanks for coming to my TED